Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use gallery view in Zoom video conferencing. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. First of all, you need to open your Zoom application in your operating system. No matter which operating system you are using, you can do same process in your smartphone devices also. This is my Zoom ID, so I just copy this my invitation and I'm sending randomly. I launch Zoom ID and then I connect another device of this call. Join the computer screen. Both laptop comes in my face like it's a gallery view. This screen and that screen like this. I am facing two sideways. So that view it's called gallery view. So how to activate this view very easily? Just simply click here view and here gallery options are come. Some randomly you activate this call. Sometimes randomly you directly connect on the call. So such kind of screen are visible on your computer screen or your mobile devices. Like your face is a full screen and someone face is a small screen. So how to do as a gallery format? Just simply click here view and select as a gallery view and both screen are simultaneously come in your operating system. That feature is amazing. You can use these features and connect people with very attractively and gallery face or gallery views simplest way. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.